Guys, in this video here at Steadfast Farm, Eric is going to talk about how they manage to sell at 4 farmers markets every single Saturday with only 2 vans. He's going to explain the logistics of that, and he's going to talk about their walk-in cooler trailer, and they actually have a CoolBot system attached to this with an air conditioner, just like you would walk-in coolers that I've talked about in many videos before. So in Arizona, I used to just have these Econoline vans and we used to deliver, and it takes us a whole day for hitting all of our deliveries. We sell to about 25 restaurants in town. Not to say that we're always delivering it to all 25 every time, but maybe it's 15, let's say. It's a full day, and Phoenix is very spread out. So by the time we got to the last deliveries, we got some warm greens, and most chefs don't like warm greens, for salads at least. And so this was a game changer for us as far as being able to control the temp. So what we do is we'll fill the orders on Wednesday, pack them all in boxes, then we can roll them out, and then we'll pack them in the trailer in reverse order, right? So your first stop is out on the back side, and then we just have an extension cord, plug in the cooler, so it's refrigerated overnight, cooling, then we can just hook up the trailer the next morning and go. And then there's a small little inverter generator on the front, and it holds only like a gallon of gas. It's quiet, and that gallon, that's enough to run the trailer basically all day for us. So it runs really efficiently, and it maybe is only like 45 degrees in there. It's not like the full on, but keeps things nice and cold.
It's not 110, right?
It's not 110.
Right, yeah. No,
and so that's what we use this primarily for. On the weekends, we also use it for our farmers markets, because we have 2 vans, we have 1 trailer, but we do 4 farmers markets all at the same time. Wow. And 2 in Phoenix, and then 1 in Mesa, 1 in Gilbert. So 1 van goes to our 2 smaller markets, and they're able to fit all of the market supplies and produce in 1 van. They drive to the first market, unload half of the stuff, leave a person there. They drive to the second stop and set up. The other one that are bigger markets and we need more stuff, we fill the van with 1 market stuff, and then we put the other stuff in the other van. They drive to the first market, drop the trailer, leave somebody behind, go to the second. So it's quite a production, but it works out. So yeah, do 4 farmers markets at once. I don't recommend. But, yeah, it works. So anyway, so that's how we use the vehicles, but nothing flashy. The vans aren't refrigerated at all. They're just like big metal boxes. So
Is parking a logistical challenge in Phoenix and back or something?
it has some challenges, but you know, we've learned how to make it work with our stops. Some are harder than others, some tight alleys and whatnot, but yeah, it's harder. Like, everybody's mostly afraid to back the trailer because the way the road bends, and that it's the trickiest getting everybody to learn how to do that. So, but yeah, it's not so bad.
If you want to learn more about this workshop, head over to theurbanfarmer.co/pmg, and there you'll find all kinds of information about the course, what we'll learn, what we're looking at. And the idea with this course is to show you a full production week. So Eric at Steadfast has really open sourced his business, and we get to show you everything. We look at the books, we look at all the stuff behind the scenes, as well as all the production, all the marketing information. Half the course is spent outside, half the course is spent inside. So we really talk about the business as well as all the things on the ground, from all the production end to what goes in the ground, what comes out of the ground, how are things packaged, all the little details. And when you leave this course, you're going to feel absolutely confident that you can do this on your farm. So tickets are now on sale, and it's early bird tickets from now until November. You can get them for $300 off, and we also have discounts for couples. If you're curious about that, check in the show notes of this video. So hope to see you guys there in February 2020.